Important do's and don'ts for beginner riders. Simulan na natin. First things first, kailangan mag-invest ka sa isang proper motorcycle training. Kapag nag-take ka ng isang rider safety course, magkakaroon ka ng mga essential skills and knowledge to ride confidently. It's a smart move for every beginner. Now, let's talk gear. Huwag mong kakalimutan na magsuot ng safety gear. Always wear a helmet, gloves, jacket, pants, and even sturdy boots. Kailangan top priority natin ang safety every time you hit the road. Before every ride, make it a habit to check your bike. Ensure your tires are properly inflated, lights are working, and brakes are in good condition. A quick pre-ride check can prevent potential issues. Ito ang isa sa hindi dapat mawala sa'yo. Do not ride without a proper motorcycle license. It's not only illegal, but also unsafe. Get license and ride legally and responsibly. Visibility is key on the road. Magsuot ng mga bright and reflective gear. And always gumamit ng signal para sa iyong intention. Being visible and predictable ay matutulungan na iba nating mga driver para ma-anticipate nila ang iyong moves, reducing the risk of accidents. Dapat alam mo ang iyong mga limits. Don't push yourself to ride beyond your skill level, lalong-lalo na sa mga challenging conditions. Gradually build your skills and gain experience over time. Stay focused and alert while riding. Iwasan ng mga distractions katulad ng mga phones, listening to loud music. Your full attention should be on the road and your surroundings. Weather matters. Huwag mo itong baliwalain. Be cautious in adverse weather conditions. Kapag malala ito, consider postponing your ride. Safety first always. Practice defensive riding. Assume mo na lang na hindi ka nakikita ng mga ibang drivers and be prepared for unexpected moves from others. Mas mabuti nang mag-ingat rather than sorry. Ayan! Ngayon, alam mo na mga ilan sa mga essential do's and don'ts para sa mga baguhang motorcyclist na tulad mo. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Ride safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye!